Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. This is where you learn Microsoft Excel from the scratch, from the beginning to the end. We've treated home in our last videos. Home, all the tools that we have under home, we've treated all of them in my previous tutorials. Now let's go to inserts. This is insert. Under insert we have all of these tools. In segment number 1 we have table. The second one is illustrations. The next one is charts. The next one is sparklines. The next one is filter. The next one is links. The next one is text. And the last one is symbols. Now today I will be guiding you through table. How does table work? Let's say you need to input some data. Here you can highlight to the range of portion that you want. You go to table, click insert, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are what you've created. In your column 1, you may want to change the heading to what you want. Let's say there's a need for me to gather a list of a certain set of people. I can say serial number, go to next column, you double click, you clear this one, go to name, next one, you go to age, next one, you go to school attended. If your space is not enough, you put your cursor here, you double click. The next one, you click class. No, you click year of graduation. Next one is for the purpose of this tutorial, let's stop right here. Now serial number, you say 1. The name is John Paul. Age 35. School AYZ University. Year of graduation 2015. So you have this right here. So this is how you populate the table with your information. In my next tutorial, I will be guiding you through illustrations. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more of tutorial on Microsoft Excel. Bye for now.